Development process, Android app and the iOS. Of course, this is, how the developer works. You always call the developer and you call it the engineer. There is a reason behind the scene. Developer means mostly they actually consume the API. Engineer, you call them because they actually build the logic. There is a difference. Okay. So a native breeds JavaScript. If you see this, this event, look at this, simple, right? It's everything, pretty much. You're touching something, you're doing something, and it's collect the data and notify the JavaScript. Simple. And there is a serialized payload. And then actually your process event, and then call the event, and the serialize the response, and process the command, and update the UI. That's actually exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened. When you do the vehicle, do anything on the vehicle, that's how it works. When you do the mobile app, that's how it works. So it has there, it actually hit your own programming language. So you're touching anything on the UI, you see this, it collect the data and notify the JavaScript, serialize your payload. Payload, you see this? Again, it is JSON payload. This is your endpoint. Okay, because you are communicating with the backend. JavaScript process event and the call 0 native method, serialize the response, process command, and the update the UI. That's it. Whatever you do, it has the like this life cycle. Anything you do on the mobile app or the mobile app, mobile app, Android, and the stuff. And the build process, learn the build process now. The code is where? Code is in the Git, right? Code need to be built. Code development and code building, two different wording. I hope you guys know from today. Code development means you are writing the code. Okay, you are writing the code based on the user story, either front end or back end. Code build is the mechanism of the programming language. JavaScript has their own code building mechanism. Java has their own, Python has their own. Without build the code, you see only the raw code. You see the raw code means the variable and the programming, but you need to build the code. So every programming language, when you build it, it makes the binary things, whatever you call it. I'm not talking about the details. All I'm saying, end of the day, electronic device only understand 0 and 1. Okay, so electronic device does not understand anything else. Computer understand either 0 or 1. So build is important. After build, then we deploy. See this now, the wording again, we deploy all the environment. They're starting with the QA environment, test environment, development environment, pre-production environment, finally do the production environment. They call the publisher. There is a reason. So understand this part. It's different than the web. Yeah, go ahead.
Who built the code?
Developer.
And who write the code?
Developer. Okay. So there is two things. And I need to clarify this. When developer build the code, they write the code, they build the code on their computer so they can run it, make sure it is working. But when actually it go to the Git, when it goes to the, need to go to the quality environment, QA environment, test environment, prepared environment, at this moment code is built by the CloudOps engineer. So build is easy things, by the way. Build is nothing something like that I am doing something special. Build code is already there. You have a JavaScript, the Node.js install, you have the package manager install. Now you just build the code is easy. But this is the part. This is after the build. This is the part of all your environment. But for the mobile app, why it is important? You need to understand this. Okay. If you guys need to ask question, you can ask. This session will go 20 minutes, straightforward. This slide will go 20 minutes. Any question you can ask, we can pause.